Welcome to Shirley House 2, where modern convenience meets comfort in the heart of Southampton. Simply scan the QR code on your screen to book your stay and experience this thoughtfully designed self-catering guest house. Tucked away in one of the city's most accessible neighborhoods, this elegant property blends contemporary living with effortless hospitality. Imagine stepping through your private entrance using state-of-the-art smart locks, bypassing traditional check-in queues with this seamless express system. The interior unfolds as a carefully curated space where crisp linens meet minimalist design, offering a sanctuary just 10 minutes from Southampton's bustling center. Every detail has been considered to elevate your stay. Complimentary high-speed Wi-Fi keeps you connected, while the well-appointed kitchenette allows you to savor leisurely breakfasts or intimate evening meals at your own pace. Whether you're here for business requiring last-minute document edits or leisure with days spent exploring maritime history, the space adapts to your rhythm. Parking options nearby eliminate urban stresses, leaving you free to discover Southampton's waterfront charm or attend nearby engagements with ease. As evening falls, retreat to your quiet haven where soft lighting and quality finishes create an atmosphere of understated luxury. The flexible checkout until 10 a.m. grants you unhurried mornings, perhaps with coffee by the window, as you plan the day ahead. Families are welcome too. Simply inquire about arrangements to accommodate younger travelers. Your effortless escape awaits at Shirley House 2. Don't forget to secure your reservation by scanning the QR code now displayed. Your key to Southampton sophistication starts here.